The world of accents, spoken English varieties in the PET exam. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language: accents. Particularly, we'll explore how to understand spoken English in different accents, which is a vital skill when preparing for the B1 preliminary PET exam. As our world becomes more connected, it's essential to be familiar with the variety of accents you might encounter. So, buckle up, and let's embark on this accent adventure together. Accents emerge due to the historical, geographical, and cultural factors of a region. When preparing for an exam like the PET, it's essential to know that English isn't just spoken one way. The test might include speakers from various regions, ensuring you're equipped to handle real-world scenarios. Key takeaway: being familiar with different accents doesn't just help in exams but also in daily interactions, as English is a global language with diverse speakers. In the PET exam, you might encounter a range of accents, including British English. This can further vary from Southern British English, like the received pronunciation, to Northern British accents, like Manchester or Liverpool. American English. This could range from the more neutral Midwestern accent to the Southern or New York accent. Australian English. This accent is distinct and different from British and American English, with its own unique flavor. Others. While the above are more common, you might also encounter accents from places like Canada, South Africa, or New Zealand. Key takeaway: the PET exam seeks to reflect the diversity of English speakers worldwide, so be prepared for a variety. 1. Listen actively. Pay close attention to the speaker. Focus on the context and main ideas rather than every single word. 2. Expose yourself. The best way to understand an accent is by listening to it frequently. Try watching movies, shows, or podcasts from different English-speaking regions. 3. Practice with real samples. Use PET practice tests, and if possible, listen to recordings from past exams to get a feel of the accents that might appear. 4. Stay calm. If you don't understand a word or phrase, don't panic. Focus on the general message and context, and often, the meaning will become clear. Key takeaway: familiarity breeds understanding. The more you expose yourself to different accents, the easier it will be to comprehend them during the exam. Thank you for joining us on this accent exploration. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its diversity. Embrace the different accents and sounds of the language. We hope this video equips you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle the listening section of the PET exam. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and good luck with your preparations.